Sometimes, when I'm bored and I don't want to go to the workshop, I like to go to different online marketplaces. I look for old tools that I can restore or different types of wood that people are selling either very cheap or at a fair price. The piece of wood right here is from a box of exactly a mix of wood and tools I bought from a guy. I bought this Azobe or ironwood from a guy online that I've previously bought tools from. It is a material that I've often been fascinated by, and I have long wanted to try and work with one of the hardest woods that available. So it's even harder than the ebony that I've worked with previously. And I thought, when I'm working with something that's hard and heavy, then let's try and make a candlestick with a nice, sleek, and elegant neck. One that I'll not be scared of if the cats knock it over, or my girlfriend or I knock it over when it's on the shelf. Also one where I'm not afraid that if the wind goes through the apartment or house, that it'll tilt over and we'll have a fire. So due to the immense weight of Azobe, it is easy to make it quite large, but at the same time quite delicate. And that is what I've been fascinated with about Azobe and why I wanted to make this. I really love working in wood and other materials and sharing my little projects with all of you. I hope that you will enjoy the process of me making this square block of Azobe into a nice, heavy, dark candlestick. As always, have an amazing day and enjoy the process.
been hurting.